welcome to See Smoke today. We're going to make a dessert today. Yay, because everybody seems to love dessert. I love dessert, as you can tell. Anyway, so I'm going to try a new thing that seems to be trending a little bit, I guess. I'm going to make cake cookies is what I'm going to make. Alright, so I have one regular box of cake mix. Get whatever brand you like and whatever flavor cake you want. With doing cookies this way, this actually gives you lots of options because, you know, cake mixes come in quite a few flavors. Not only that, you can add quite a bit to the cake mix, just like as if you were making cake, to make like your own cookie recipe. I mean, you can put chocolate chips in there, fruit, freeze-dried fruit or anything like that. You can put candies in it. So, I mean, you can make your cookies and go wild. You could be your own cookie monster and put your own things in it. Food coloring, anything. But we're just going to make some chocolate cookies. That's all I'm doing today. Alright, so I have a pan that I've already got sprayed down that I'm going to put my cookies on. And I got my oven at 350, which just says, put it at 350 to make cake. I also have a half a cup of butter that's melted that we're going to use, and I got 2 eggs. So what do you say is missing? Oil. You know, you normally have this in oil, but you know, the butter's the oil too, and this don't have no water. Because normally you add either butter, oil, eggs, and water. We're not adding water to this. So, I'm going to take out my one cake mix. And open it. And I hope this turns out right, because I kind of hate when I, you know, spend money and things don't turn out right. It gets kind of upsetting. So, here we go. We got our one cake mix. Yes, I hope this turns out, and I hope they're good. Alright, and here's my half a cup of butter. I need some butter, as we say in the house. Here. I'm going to put that in there. And I have my 2 eggs here, and as you see, I've already cracked them and everything, and I have them in a separate container. And as I always told you, as a trick for anytime you're cooking or baking or anything, it's always best to crack your eggs in a different vessel. That way you can look and see if there's any shells in there before you go and crack them in your batter or brownie mix or anything like that. That way you don't get a crunchy surprise in your dessert that you don't want there. Alright, so here's my 2 eggs. We're going to add that in there too. And now we're going to mix this with a whisk. And I'm assuming this is going to kind of get like, you know, cookie dough gets. It's kind of thick and firm. So I'm assuming, you know, once I incorporate all this together, that's what we're going to end up with. And which, from the looks of it, that is what we're going to end up with. Okay. I wouldn't say this is the easiest stuff to incorporate together because we don't have any water to go in it too. And I'm not really sure how many cakes. We're not making cake today, Katie. We're using cake mix, but we're not making cake today. Alright, I think I got that. Oh, nope. I got powder. Oh no. Yeah, that's pretty thick, guys. That kind of looks like brownie mix, if you ask me. Let me get all the rest of it out of my whisk here so I can make sure I don't have no chunky choppy bits that, you know, will not taste good as a cookie. Alright, I think we're good on that home front. And let me see. Okay. What did my children do with it? Oh no, we got a problem. Seriously, What'd you do with my ice cream?
It broke.
It broke? Seriously?
Yeah.
It broke? Oh Lord, I didn't even know it broke.
I told you that last time.
Oh my goodness, I forgot. Okay, X-nay on the ice cream scooper. Okay, next. Alright, so next option is, let's see, how big of a cookie do we want? Because I'm trying to decide if, we'll just go with the big spoon. Because I'm afraid if I use that quarter of a cup right there, it's just going to be too big. But, okay. Back to the task at hand here. I guess we're just going to make some funky shaping drop cookies here. Because I don't have an ice cream scoop no more. Because obviously it broke. And like I said, I don't know how many cookies this is going to make. So I'm doing about a good tablespoon worth, a little more maybe. I feel like I'm making a mess. Ugh, okay. Yes, because this is super exciting. I'm sorry I can't sing, or I'd sing y'all a song or hum you a tune or something, but I can't do that. But you know what? We'll put some music in here and speed it up a little bit so it'll be like you're doing it really fast. Okay, yeah, I know. I'm sorry, I had a mental break there. Mental break. Okay. I think I'm going to need another pan to make cookies. I wonder if I can do another roll down the thing and then not split too much. What do we think? We're going to give it a try. Okay, yeah, I know this don't look very good or very appealing. Alright. Alright, I'm going to get another pan. Oh, holy guacamole. Woo. Okay. Voila, another pan, yay. We can finish the cookies. Let me spray it. Which I'm also making some muffins right now too. I'm trying to make some muffins for tomorrow for breakfast, so I can have that out of the way before I gotta go to work. So, right now, I'm gonna finish putting these cookies on the tray so we can get them in the oven. Alright guys, we got all our cookies on the pan. I got them separated pretty good, so I'm hoping they're not going to just like, squish together when they like spread out when they make cookies. Alright, so we're about to give this a try. It should take 15 to 20 minutes. It's the directions I read on how long you should bake them. So I'm assuming you got to do it kind of like cake. Make sure it's done but not gooey, but not have a hard bottom, We're going for like a soft cookie kind of feel here. So I'm going to stick these in here and we'll check them in a few minutes and see when they're ready to go. Alright, and it should be time now to take out the cookies. Alright, and there, that batch looks really pretty right there. Alright, now we're going to let them cool and then we'll try one in just a little while. But they're too hot to try right now. Alright guys, everything's done, which, yes, I've got muffins on here too, because I told y'all, hey, I was making muffins for breakfast tomorrow morning. And we have all our cake cookies, which they turned out really nice. And they're big and fluffy. And my husband's going to try one of the cookies. This made, let's see what I made, about 12, I don't know, it made about 16 cookies or so with the whole box of cake mix that we cooked for maybe 15-20 minutes in the oven at 350. And like I said, it was just whole cake mix, 2 eggs, and a half a cup of butter. All right, now you can either do your cookies like my husband's doing, just eat a plain cookie. And like I said, you could add things to your cookies. You can add chips, candy, different flavorings. These are such nice, soft, cake-looking cookies that I'm going to make this one into a whoopie pie. So I'm going to add icing to our cake cookie. And we're going to top it. And now we have what you would call a little whoopie pie. With just plain regular store-bought icing and cake cookies. I hope this was an easy, fun recipe for y'all to do. I hope y'all try it. Don't forget to experiment yourself. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you guys next time and enjoy cooking. Enjoy cooking.